The market as we know it today opened in 1978, and its legendary status in Melbourne as being the soul of the city has led it to be on the National Heritage List of protected sites. Over 2 city blocks, the market stays open for 5 days a week and carries with it a long and sometimes controversial history. In its earliest days, the market space was initially a cemetery used by early settlers before a portion of the land was dug up and then used for an unofficial hay and corn market. As Melbourne grew in population, there was a need for a council to manage the many markets that had popped up throughout the city. The first official market was the Western Market, which stocked fresh fruit and vegetables in 1841. This market took up an entire city block and lasted for 90 years. The Western Market, however, is not located in the same area as the market we know today. That market was known as the Lower Market and also sold fruits and vegetables in 1867. Over the next decade, this market grew in size. Despite there being a cemetery below, the upper section of the market sits on a section that was used the least. Fast forward to the 1970s, the Queen Victoria Market was thriving and a staple of the city. When there was talk of it becoming a trade center and hotel by developers, there was a public outcry at this idea. Instead, the market gained its heritage status, meaning it will be protected for generations to come. Nowadays, after a much-needed remodeling of the meat hall in the mid-1970s, the market has continued to be a hot spot for all ages. Whether this is from shoppers collecting their morning groceries or the younger crowd enjoying the food trucks on a Wednesday night market, the sense of community lives on through all the hustle and bustle of the crowds. While you might be perfectly satisfied just strolling around and gawking at the market stalls, you can always take things one step further to really make the most out of your visit to the Queen Victoria Market. Make the most of it at Queen Victoria Market. Boasting more than 600 shops and stalls, Queen Victoria Market is more than just a shopping precinct. In fact, it's the largest open-air market in the Southern Hemisphere and is the cultural heart of Melbourne City. Filled with famous food halls, dining spots, and live performances, the market is the place to be if you're on the hunt for a bite to eat with a difference. The market itself sprawls out over several blocks in Melbourne and showcases the diverse cosmopolitan nature of the city, selling everything from fresh fruit and veg to imported gourmet food, vintage clothes, handmade goods, and general merchandise. For artisan cheese and meat lovers, the deli hall is the finest attraction in the market. Set against a backdrop of beautiful Art Deco design, it boasts stalls piled high with soft cheese, Greek dips, truffle oil, kangaroo biltong, and everything in between. Then there's the meat hall, which does exactly what it says on the tin. You can pick up fresh, local meat here, as well as buy cooked food to take away and snack on while you browse. The fruit and veg hall is packed full of local and exotic colors and flavors, while the organics section serves up an exciting menu of coffee, wine, and organic produce. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.